grandma.
No, it's not.
It's a black vehicle.
Why would a black vehicle be?
You record on?
Yeah, like something just raised up when we shined the flashlight back there. Looked like a animal slash fucking human. Now it's gone. It was by the playset back there.
Now it's probably back there missing the dog.
I'm going back up front.
I'm going. Oh, fuck you. No, I don't even want to be fucking.
It's better to be away from it.
I actually want to walk that way now.
Really far that way.
Oh, fuck that man. You just scared me.
Like back there when we
Did you see it right here?
Yeah.
Actually, I ran.
like we were standing right here and there was a thing.
Oh, shit. Oh, dude.
Did you see it?
Something back there with a flashlight. Dude, come here. Really?
I'm walking this way, you motherfucker.
Right there. Every time I turn on this flashlight, see it? What the fuck is that? You see it?
It's gone.
Oh.
It raised back down.
Oh.
I swear if that's
Oh my
coyote.
God. Oh, dude is back. Dude is back. Keep going.